Good morning and welcome to 945 Golden Bay Drive. This is a house that you can rent if you come to Orlando. If you're staying in the Orlando area, there's no better place to stay. Top tier have amazing properties to rent out in the Orlando area. This is just one of some amazing properties they have. Let me show you around. This is fantastic. So as you come through the entrance, it leads you to this magnificent entry hall, which then takes you into the living area. Now this is a 10-bedroom property. It sleeps 31 people, and this is the first time I've obviously been in here, so you'll get to see it just as I'm discovering it. Absolutely amazing. Look at that outdoor space. Just look at it. I could just imagine being here with a family, and or an amazing space. The kitchen, wow, absolutely fantastic. So the large table sits 12, and then you have extra seating around here. This is the outside area. We'll have a look more into detail of that later on. This is just totally awesome. So you've got an espresso machine, kettle, tea, coffee, sugars, and then in here I'm guessing, yeah, all the mugs. Just a cupboard for mugs. And then in here, look at how many. So I don't think you'll run out of plates and dishes. And then this oven is huge. Is that a pot filler?
Yes, it is.
I'm glad you're here, Jeff. And everything is so clean and new and just absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. They've even got a high chair if you need it. But anything, if you were missing something, they could get it for you. This is the prep kitchen. Just in case you didn't have enough space in the normal kitchen.
Or if you're entertaining,
yes.
and you bring in a caterer, they have their own access to come in to be able to facilitate your dinner.
Oh, this is just, every time I turn a corner, it's like, oh, there's more. The house that keeps on giving. Thank you. And then, so that's the front door as you come in. I must say there's loads of security here as well. And that is something they'll take very, very seriously in the reunion area. So we had to provide the driving license and details of why we were here. But that is good. That's definitely a good thing.
So Chris, how many guests can stay in this?
There's 10 bedrooms, 31 guests can stay here. There's also 10 bathrooms.
Well, and with 31 guests, you're going to have a lot of laundry.
Oh my goodness, just look at that, how beautiful. Oh, even the laundry room is beautiful. That is awesome. And I think that's a pack and play there as well. But like I said, if you needed anything extra at all, they could provide it. Around the corner is a fully equipped gym.
If you have kids, they're not going to want to hang out with the adults.
No.
They're going to need their own space.
What's behind the door? Oh! Wow. Oh, totally mind-blowing. Children just they wouldn't come out to me. Yeah, well, because I will definitely be booking this. 100%.
So, bowling, basketball, shooting.
And you know when you get kids and they say, but I want to go, you've been on it long enough. There's two of everything. Call this bedroom 1. This obviously sleeps up to 4 guests. They have a vanity area. Awesome. And the toilet, bathroom.
3-piece.
This one. So this is bedroom number 2. Oh Oh, and the flowers. And a huge mirror. Yeah.
There's more to come.
Is there? A double sink. Of course, there's a double sink. And that shower is huge.
Rain shower head.
Yeah.
See-through
Top of the range amenities. This is bedroom 3 on main level. And then another bathroom. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that view. Look at that bed. Oh my God, look at that bath. Oh wow, it is. Oh, and a wraparound. I've never seen
a walk-through shower.
A walk-through shower. I've never seen a walk-through shower before. Upstairs. Oh, what a wonderful area. What a fantastic area. Huge telly. That is probably one of the biggest TVs I've seen. A pool table. And of course more arcade games, because then the children will be happy while the adults finish up the day sat around by the bar area or on this wonderful balcony. Absolutely fantastic. Bedroom number 5. Again, everything you need is here, plus more. Brilliant. And look at that view. Imagine just waking up to that view. That is amazing view. Double sink again, so I think all of these are sort of double sinks. Oh.
Second master.
Wow. And number 7?
Number 7.
Number 7.
And the second master.
Oh, wow. Oh, so pretty. This is so pretty. Just look at that. Oh, it's just absolutely pure luxury. Bedroom number 8. Oh, I like those tiles. I really like those tiles. And they're all huge showers. So is this bedroom number 9?
No, this isn't a bedroom.
This isn't a bedroom.
So you've had a long day. You really want to watch a movie. You don't want to sit on the couch.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
16.
Oh, thank you so much. Of course, 16. Oh. And a huge cinema screen. So each one of these chairs has its own functions. This bedroom
9 and 10.
9 and 10.
And these are the kids' rooms.
Right. It's Captain Jack Sparrow. How much fun is that? Brilliant. Oh my God, I could cry. Oh, this is amazing. So they've got dress up for the children and some children's activities and accessories here.
Mermaids to the right, pirates to the left.
Oh, look at the artwork. Even the floor is spectacular. And they've got their own little stairs that they can go up safely, and they can stay in a clam.
In their shells.
In their shells, and they can sleep here. And this is their little snug area. I'm gonna go up the first couple of steps just so I can see inside the clams. Oh, they look so comfy. I have 2 granddaughters, and they would go absolutely wild if I said, right, you need to sleep here. Wonderful shower again. Absolutely. And they've even got the theme, they like little shells, the tiles in here. Oh, imagine this. Well, even the girls would like it. I suppose it's like boys' room, girls' room, but this is unbelievable. This is just so well themed and well organised and just the best. Hello, these guys have been here for a while.
The guests didn't want to leave.
They didn't. I know how I feel your pain. I really do. They've got a snug area in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the barrels. The sinks are barrels in here. Look at that theming. Who even thinks of things like that? That's just, amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Even the doors are decorated both sides, not just the one side. No expense spared. No, it's a whole pirate ship in your villa. You've got your own pirate ship. This is just unbelievable. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So there's one bedroom here.
There's a slide.
There's a slide? Oh my goodness. And there's a castle. We have a castle. Dead men tell no tales. And obviously that goes up then into the pirate ship. And then you've got this hidden area with more pirate accessories and boxes to sit on when you're playing the games console. Oh, they really have thought of everything. They really have. That is absolutely awesome. And then they've even got keys. Another bed, so they can see each other. And then you've got a foam pit for them to play in. And then you can see the other person, so they'll never be alone. That is, oh, that's just taking my breath away. That's, well, it all has, I must be honest. It is all taking my breath away. It is fantastic, just absolutely fantastic. And then I'm gonna go up these steps. So I'm at the top of the castle. And then if I go this way, this is on top of the pirate ship. And then if you go this side, there's another bed, which there's another bed up here, which has got, this bed is sort of secret, hidden away, I feel. And then this is the entrance to the
Boys' room.
Boys' room? Right. This is where I said what's in there. Right. And this, which you can't, it's very, very dark inside, but I'm guessing there's lights obviously for it, is the slide that goes down to the bottom.
Which you already had.
So this is a child safety alarm as well for when you go outside. So you press the button there and then you can unlock the door and go outside so that none of the children...
And that's what will happen. So you do have to press it every time.
So you do. Fantastic.
But now you see what'll happen if the
Yeah,
children go outside
yeah.
or an unsupervised adult.
And you would know that.
Yeah.
You would know that. This is the outdoor area. Loads and loads of seating and it looks fantastic. And then you've got an outdoor kitchen. Super
Projector
cool.
is back behind us on the ceiling. And the screen is coming down now, so you can sit out here and watch.
So you can sit out here and watch a film of an evening. You can stay in the pool and watch it from that way over.
And in case you didn't have enough kitchen
In
space.
case you didn't have enough kitchen. So that is the biggest barbecue I have ever seen. More fantastic artwork. Brilliant. Wow. And then you've got these safety gates there. Obviously you can take these off and remove them. So that's a hot tub. Hot tub there, and that pool area is divine. They've got a hammock. They've got lots and lots of outdoor seating. And of course you can see the big screen down. That is phenomenal. I must say, this has just blown me away. What a fantastic place to come and bring your family and stay while you're here in Orlando. Obviously Orlando has the theme parks. There's so much going on that you can see and do in Orlando. But to do it right, you've got to stay in a place like this. Absolutely brilliant. A massive thank you to the company who let us have a look around. And they're called Top Tier at Reunion. They have so many fantastic, fantastic properties. You really need to look them up.